Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add categories in Squarespace. So today I will show you how to add categories in Squarespace blog posts, events, products and videos on video pages. So you are going to get a full grasp on creating categories in blog posts, event pages, products and videos and video categories on the video pages. So first of all, let's learn how to add categories on blog posts. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Squarespace, log in using your user credentials and navigate to your website. Now, after navigating to your website, you'll be on this page just under your website and you'll have to click on the pages option at the bottom. Now, it will take you to main navigation page where you will see a list of main navigation options. Simply click on blog, then it will show you these options. Here, you will see different kinds of blogs available. Click on blog. Now after clicking on blog, it will take you to this page. Here, you will see blog overview and different blog contents available just right here. Simply navigate to the blog content that you want to set category for, click on the three-dotted icon after that and click on settings. Now, it will show up this page that is blog post settings where you'll have to click on options. It will show up this page where you'll have to click on categories. When you click on categories, you can add any kind of category here. For example, I will add a category named fun. I will hit enter. You can also add a category such as adventure and hit enter. You can add category like sad and hit enter. So add different kind of categories for your blog, hit enter and click on this tick icon after that to select it and click on save. Now, those categories will be added to your blog. Now, we'll go back, navigate to pages again and we'll learn how to add categories for events. So you'll have to just click on the events under main navigation page. It will show up this page and just the same as blog settings, click on the three-dotted icon after any event that you want to set category for. Then click on settings. After this, it will show up this page. We'll have to choose categories and you can add different kind of categories here also. Just name your category, hit enter. Name another category and hit enter. So you can add as much categories as you want for this and click on the save option at the top. And you would have successfully added those categories for your events page too. Now, we'll learn how to add categories for your products. In order to do this, go back from this page. We'll navigate back to our website. So here you're going to click on products and services option. Click on products. Now, click on the three-dotted icon after your product. Click on edit. Now from this choose organization. You can also scroll down to organization from this page and click on the categories plus icon. So it says create categories to bucket products. Categories will appear in the store's navigation. Click on plus icon. It will show up this page where you can select a category. So I'm going to make a category named fun products and click on add. I will add a category named wet products. Click on add. Another one will be dry products. I will click on add. Now, I will choose all these categories and click on done. And as you can see, we have successfully created these three categories for our products page too. Now you can click on save option at the top right and you can go back and the category for this product will be successfully saved. Now we'll learn how to add categories for videos on the video pages. To do that, click on website, choose pages. Now choose videos. Now choose categories from here. So the categories for video will be just right here under that. You can select any categories you want or just click on settings icon and you'll be navigated to video settings where you can select categories. So we have these three categories already selected. You can also push any category down and number them. You can also add a search category like adventure videos and click on add. This will add another category as you can see. You can also click on three-dotted icon, click on edit and edit that category. Also, you can take that category down to another one. In order to add another one, just click on add, name it, click on add again and that category will be added. Now you can click on close and we have successfully added categories for blogs, events, products and videos on videos pages. So that is a simple way through which you can add categories on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.